Start.
Today topic electric potential and capacitance. Subtopic potential energy of the system of two particles. Potential energy of system of two particles. So this is subtopic in this electrostatic potential and capacitance chapter. So first, what is the potential energy of the system of this? What is it? Two particles statement. So the work done to keep the two particles at their respective position in the electric field is called electrostatical potential energy. Means what is it? First we can consider space. This is free space, so no charge is there in this space. So here we can consider one point. This is P. Now we are, what is it, bringing a charge Q1 from infinity to this P point. So whenever charge Q1 is keeping at this point, then electric field is created around it. So this is creation of the electric field around this, what is that, charge Q1. Whenever charge Q1, initially it is empty space, no charge is there, so no field is present. So whenever charge Q1 is kept at point P, then field is created around it. So here the work done to keep this particle at this point means potential at point P. Therefore, potential at point P due to charge Q1, that is, what is it? Potential means work done. Work done to keep this particle at this point, that is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1. Distance. We are keeping this particle at, what is that, R distance, okay, from this point Q. So that is R. Now this is potential at point P. Due to this charge Q1, here electric field is created around it. Now we are bringing another charge, that is Q2. It is bringing from infinity to this, what is that, Q point, and keeping at this Q point. So against this electric field direction, the work is needed. So the work done to keep the second particle at Q position. Therefore, work done to keep second, what is it, particle Q2 or charge Q2 at which point, Q, from what is it, point P located R distance. Smaller distance. So that is, work done is equal to W. Therefore, W is equal to, what is it, V into Q2. Why? Because we are bringing the charged particle, that is Q2 at Q point. So therefore, work is needed. That work done is equal to V into Q2 according to definition of potential. We are writing that. So that is formula V is equal to W by Q. Therefore, W is equal to V into Q. So this is equation number 2. Now this equation 1 substitute into this equation 2. Then equation 1 substitute in equation 2. Therefore, W is equal to V value is substituted into that place Therefore 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 by R into what is that, Q2. Therefore the work done to keep these two particles at this respective position in the field is called potential energy. Therefore W is equal to U. U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R. So this is electrostatical potential energy of the system of two particles. So for example, if you are what is that, bringing three particles and keeping at these three respective positions, that means at three corners of this equilateral triangle, then what is the potential energy of the system of these three particles? So potential energy of system of three particles. So in this case, the potential energy, for example, work done to keep this Q1 particle at this point, and work done to keep this particle at this, what is it? Here A point, this is B point and C point. Located at distance, what is it? A. Because three particles are keeping at these three corners of equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. So first work done to keep these, what is it? Two particles. That is Q1, Q2. Potential energy is U1. And later, the work done to keep these two particles, that is at B and C. Potential energy is U2. And work done to keep these three, what is it? Two particles at A and B position. That is potential energy is U3. Net potential energy of the system of these three particles, that is equal to what is that, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into what is that, first two particles. Okay, we are fixing at A and C. Potential energy is Q1, Q2 according to this formula. So first two particles are fixing at this A and C position, potential energy. Later these two particles are fixing at this position B and C. Then potential energy is what is it? Q2 and Q3. 1 by 4 by epsilon naught take common plus, and later these two particles, what is it? Q1 and Q3 are fixing at this A and B corners. So potential energy is Q1 Q3. So this is net potential energy of this system of what is it? Three particles. So similar way, whenever we are keeping these four particles at their respective positions at four corners of this square, so potential energy of system of four particles. For example, four particles are keeping at four corners of the square. So this is A, B, C, D. This is what is that? Square. And four particles are keeping at four corners of the square. So first particle Q1 is keeping at point A, and next Q2 is keeping at point, what is that? B. Next Q3 is keeping at this point C. Next Q4. Then potential energy of the system of these particles is equal to what is that? Whenever two particles are fixing at this position, potential energy is U1. Whenever these two particles are fixing at this point, the potential energy is U2. Next, whenever these two particles are keeping at this position, potential energy U3. Next, U4. And okay, across this, what is the diagonals? Also they are fixed at the fixed positions. So they are also considered U5 plus U6. So what is that? Potential energy U is equal to, first case all sides are equal, Okay, y cos square. So 1 by 4 pi into epsilon naught into what is it? Work done to keep these two particles is what is it? Q1, Q2 plus next Q2, Q3, next Q3, Q4, next Q4, Q1. Distance is what is it? Here also distance is by A here A plus, okay. So work done to keep this what is it? Two particles, that is root 2A. Here also same root 2A distance they are fixing. So what is it? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by root 2A into diagonals, that is Q1, Q3, next Q2 and Q4. Q2, Q4. This is net potential energy of the system of four particles. So statement is what is it? The work done to keep the two particles at their respective positions in the electric field. That is called what is it? Potential energy. Statement. Work done to keep two particles at respective position in the electric field called electrostatic potential energy. Potential energy.